Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Okay, in this next opportunity, we are going to share our presentation. And before we speak more and more, we would like to introduce ourselves. We are from the second group of H class. And today we are going to discuss about life and development of insect populations. Let me introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Asdena Hikmatia, and here's my partners. There are Putri Diana Berbangun and Devi Sri Asih. Okay, for the first, I would like to start our presentation from the definition of life and development of insect populations. And the second is influencing factor. The third is causes of pest eruptions. And the last is observation technique. Okay, let's start our presentation today from the definition of life and development of insect population. And it will be delivered by my partner, Devi Sri Asih. Please come in.
Okay, thank you. Life of insect. The study of the life of insect is called entomology. Entomology is a branch of biology that studies insects. Insects are the main group of segment animals, arthropods, that have 6 legs, 3 pairs. That's why they are also called hexapoda from the Greek meaning 6 legs. Next. Okay, definition of insect development. Insect development, a biological process leading to maturity, can be in the form of change in the form, composition, and function of body organ toward maturity of perfection in the genes. The difference in size is not too big, but there's a big chance that cannot be measured in the form of change in shape. Next. Next. Okay, number 2, influencing factor. Next. Number 1, climate. Temperature. At the optimum temperature, the ability of pests to produce offspring is very large, and mortality is low. Humidity. When the humidity is in accordance with the needs of the insect life, the insect tend to be resistant. Higher the humidity, the faster the pest mature. Next. Rainfall. If there is too much water, it will have an adverse effect on the proliferation and growth of pest organisms. Light. Some types of pests have a positive reaction to light, and there are some pests that are active when there is no light or at night nocturnal. Wind affects the development of pests, especially in deployment process when next. Number 2, soil. Soil structure and moisture have a big influence on pest life. Loose structured soil with high organic matter content and Adequate moisture can support the development of pests that live all or part of the life in soil. Next. Host plants are plants that provide food and shelter for pest organisms. When the preferred plant is present in a large number, the pest population quickly increases. On the other hand, if there is not enough food, the pest population will decrease. Next. Last, biological factor. The principle of biological factor is organisms that are in the pest environment. Biological factor can be in the form of animals, bacteria, fungi, and virus that inhibit the proliferation of plants because they eat them. Parasitism become pests or compete for food and living space.
All right, the next is about causes of pest eruptions. Okay, the main cause of the pest population explosion, one of which comes from the action of humans who they are not wise in managing nature, managing agricultural land. And this can be seen from the first is excessive use of pesticides. Excessive use of pesticides, which causes an imbalance in the ecosystem. The use of pesticides is undeniable. Even farmers are already aware of the impact of using pesticides, especially if they are used excessively. However, it seems the farmers have no other choice but to use pesticide for control. This is something we all need to think about, and as etymologists, what efforts should we do to overcome the explosion of the brown plant-tuber population, which will certainly threaten food security in Indonesia? And the second is moving plants to different climates. We know that when a plant is moved to another area with a different climate, with suitable environmental condition, the pest population grows rapidly. At the optimum temperature, the ability of pests to reproduce is very large and mortality is very little, causing pest explosions. Okay. Next is the third is plant breeding results. With the existence of various plant developments, such as crosses to genetic engineering, it has actually changed the natural defense mechanism in the plant itself. And the last is reduced genetic diversity. The reduction in genetic diversity in certain plants causes the planting method to tend to be the same every time. And this planting method results in plant being susceptible to pest attacks and an explosion of pest population if not controlled properly. Okay, next it will be delivered by my partner, Putri Diana.
Okay, the next is observation technique. In general, insect population affects the image of plants. Therefore, observation of insect population is important to do. For gas rate the image of plants, of course, by considering the type of insect and plants. Observation is calculation and collection activities of information about population and attack rate of OPT and climatic factors that influence it at a certain time and place. Next, please. Observation of insects by outline are divided by three types. There are one, observation of absolute population. Absolute populations is observation that expresses in units area, habitat in the form of host plants or part of plants. The second is observation of relatively population. Population relatively is observation result that expresses in units before. And the last is observation of index population. Index population is observation that done indirectly by insects in the individual, but to the result of insect activities. The result of observation has that analyzed, and if found that nuisance of organism above economic threshold, AA, then control with control techniques that are able to reduce the population quickly. For example, pesticides.
Okay, everyone, that's all what we want to share about our presentation today. So, thank you so much for your kind attention. And if you have many mistakes, I'm sorry about it. And if you have any question, you can write them in the comment below. Okay, thank you so much. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.